Today's video is a thrift haul video. As you know, I shop the local Goodwill store during my lunch hour. On this day, I was in there less than 1 hour. I purchased 9 items and I spent $37. These are all clothing items that you may be able to find at your local store to flip for a profit online. In this video, I will show you in detail what I purchased and how much I think I can sell it for using the comparative solds on eBay. If this sounds like something that interests you, stick around and let's get started. I stopped by Goodwill on my lunch hour. I was in there less than 1 hour. I spent $37.80 and this is what I found. We'll start down here. They charged me an athletic jacket price, $4.50 for this izod lacoste windbreaker. It is hooded. And I believe this is a vintage label. It does have the signature Gator logo. I also picked up this pair of Western Ethics denim jeans. This is also a vintage. It has the paper tag. They charged me $4.50 for the jeans. That goes for all of these jeans. Comparative solds on eBay for these jeans looked promising. They were at least $40 plus shipping. This is a pair of Levi 517 size 32-32. I've had success selling several Levi style brands. This 517 sells for at least $25 plus shipping. This is Big Star Live boot cut denim jeans. The back is somewhat interesting on these with faux leather stripe and the thick stitching. I will use the thick stitching as a keyword. Next up is a plus size pair of silver denim jeans. The back on these aren't too fancy, but like I said, they are plus size and I've had luck selling silver plus size jeans before. This is a Quaker Factory embellished shirt, kind of a knit sweater. It's the size extra small, so I debated about whether or not I should pick it up, but I do believe there are some butterfly fanatics out there that would enjoy this shirt. The shirt's $3.75. Next up is a Life is Good, the big 5-0 t-shirt, and this is a small size. I may sell this or I may just keep it for myself. I've sold several Life is Good t-shirts. It does have a following, especially in the larger sizes. $3.75 for the Life is Good t-shirt. Then there are 2 pair of swing trunks. This is a plus size 2X Green Bay Packers trunks. It's the NFL. The clerk tried to tell me that they missed marking this up, that anything NFL brand should be marked up, which really the only thing that I ever seen marked up that was NFL in my Goodwill store were for the Denver Broncos. Again, this is Green Bay. I found it in Wyoming. I'm going to list that and see how it does. Comparative solds on eBay for these Green Bay Packers swimming trunks were $20 at least plus shipping. Again, I'm $2.25 into these swimming trunks. The next item, a pair of Columbia PFD Performance Fishing Gear swim trunks. I've never seen swim trunks in this brand before, but I have sold PFG men's shirts before and they do sell rather well. This is Omni Shade swimming trunks. I'm going to get these listed as soon as possible and hopefully they will sell before summer arrives. The swimming trunks were $2.25 each. Again, I was in Goodwill less than 1 hour. I purchased 9 items for $37. Now remember, the Life is Good t-shirt was $3.75 and I may keep it for myself. I'm a reseller on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I go by the name Piece of Scrap, and I will have those links in the description below. If you're interested in any or all of these items, drop a comment in the section below and let me know, and I will make you a great deal. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, which means you like this content and tells me that I need to make more of these thrift haul videos. If you're not yet subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified of my next video. I will link another Thrift with Me video here. Continue watching.